Okay, hi everybody. This is going to be an unboxing video for the Star Puzzle with a Twist for the Shapeways Summer Building Contest. There's another puzzle in here which we'll have to ignore. And there's that one. Ignore that one. There's half of it. Wow, really small. That's another thing to ignore, but I wanted it. You guys can see that. That's the Shapeways keychain. And the other half of the puzzle here. We'll do the white ones. They might stick out a little bit more here. Okay, so yeah, this very, very small pieces. And there it goes. Made it quite small to be affordable, but I might think it's a little bit too small for some people's taste. There you can see two of the parts, how they fit together. And I believe that's all the parts and pieces. There's a little center cap there. And of course this is a pin I designed to substitute a screw. And I believe that's about it. Assembly video next.